So this is a 2005 Saab 9.3 saloon car, but this will work for the convertible or the estate as well. You've seen the radios installed already. This one's quite nice because you've still got the cup holder and the vents that were initially there, but it's totally touchscreen. But the update that I want to show you is that I can control the volume using the steering wheel controls, and I can change the tracks just by using the steering controls as well. So we have full steering control usage on our aftermarket head unit. Right, so this video is to set up the steering wheel controls for the Android touchscreen joying unit, which has been plaguing us for a while now. Thanks to Joe Akroush, we now have a plan of action, which is going to be using a Canvas Decoder, which is this Control Pro 2 steering wheel interface CP2 Uni, which we're going to be connecting to one of the wires behind the instrument cluster here, one of the green wires here. So I need to strip this and find the wire that I'm looking for. Right, so I've separated the green wires on the loom so that I can get to them. Now Joe's basically said that this is a bit of a lucky dip. He got it right first time, so I'm going to cut into one, see how it works, and then go from there.
So to be clear, the goal here is to connect a piece of wire to one of the green wires that we've exposed here and run it to behind where the radio is going to be so that we can connect up our Canvas decoder. And that is what I am doing here. Once we've connected this wire, we can put the speedos back in and basically rebuild the dashboard because we've got the wire that we need behind the radio. So let's talk about the Canvas decoder. In this image, you can see how the dip switches should be if you have a Chinese Android radio. If you are using any other branded radio, you will need to look up and see how the dip switches should be. And now on to actually connecting the Canvas decoder up. You'll notice my crude diagram here, which shows the Canvas decoder, and then it shows you both the ports on the left-hand and right-hand side of the unit. So on the left-hand side of the unit, you're going to have multiple colored wires, but the only ones that we really care about are the red, the yellow, and the pink and black. So the red and the yellow will go into the exact red and yellow cables that are currently behind the head unit, which represent the ignition live and the permanent live. The pink and black wire is the one that is going to be connected to your green wire behind your instrument cluster. On the other side of the Canvas decoder, you will have a blue wire, which is going to be for the output of the Canvas decoder. So this is going to be connected to key 1 or key 2 of your Chinese head unit. You'll notice as well on this side of the unit there will be a 3.5mm jack, and that will go into Kenwood or Pioneer or any other brand that you might have. So the same thing applies for that. At this point, you're ready to go. All you need to do now is just program the buttons so that you can choose which buttons do what for your head unit, and you're done.